Dark Leon from D-Wolf. So first we do figures. See. Okay. So get your assembly tool. Pop this out. Then you can choose either one. The D-Wolf to make the Rock Leon, Dark Leon, or the Rock Wolf. So that's all. Goodbye.